A day, a wife asked to her husband, "Do you remember what day it is today?" Husband said, "Definitely, I remember. Today is Sunday and it is the day of our outing. So, should I get ready?" "Sure, you will get ready. Get ready quickly. I will also get ready. We will leave soon, okay?" Then, husband got ready within 10 minutes and now he was on waiting for his wife outside the veranda. Will she come now? Will she come then? But she was not coming. Perhaps he was used to waiting, but it was taking little too long today. An hour later, a voice stuck to his ears. "Wait for me, Annie. I am just finishing my mat." "You don't need makeup." "Oh, really? That's so sweet of you, Annie." "You need plastic surgery."